trying to get a copy of the current operating budget, which is supposed to be available immediately when I come in.
Okay.
So I'd like to have a copy of it.
I will get back with you.
It's not immediately available.
I have to get it.
Do you not have a copy of anything budget-wise that I can see, that I can look at right here when I walk in the door? There's nothing?
Sure. You want what was given last night to the council with the budget analysis?
I would like a copy of that also, but I'd like a copy of
This
the
is
current
is-
operating budget as well. So when can I expect that?
I can work on it, but
You're required to tell me a time and a date.
yeah, in 3 days.
Well, you're required to tell me right now, within
No.
3 days when I can see it, yes.
No, within 3 days,
No.
I'm required to give you an
I'm very
answer.
familiar with the public records law.
You know where Tom Reagan's office is, right?
No, I have no
have
idea.
your-
I have no
I
idea.
have you.
Are you gonna send this to Tom Reagan's office? Do I
have
need to
your-
get with him?
I have your request,
Yes, ma'am.
and
You
I
have
will
my
take your
request and you're
request.
denying it today. You can't get it for me today.
Don't have it.
And it's supposed to be available today, so I do have a right to ask questions as to why it's not available. You do understand that, right?
Sure.
I have the right to ask interrogatory style questions about why it's not available today. So I'm curious why it's not available today.
Can't tell you it's not right here in my hands right now.
But why can't you produce a copy of it?
I will. I will.
When am I going to be able to pick that up?
I will let you know. Do I have your phone number? Sure. 717-8085. I'll give you a call.
So you're not going to answer any of my questions about why you can't get it today, or?
I didn't tell you I couldn't get it today. I
Can
told you
you?
it's not in my hands right now. And I will
Okay,
give
should
you
I
a call.
wait? Would you like me to wait?
That's
How
totally.
long will it take?
I don't know.
Okay, but you can get it for me today?
I can get you a copy of the budget that was passed.
No, I want a copy of the current operating budget,
I can get you
which
a
would
copy.
be,
of
anything
the-
that's been reconciled, which would probably, it's required to be reconciled once a month, so I would assume it was reconciled last month.
Okay.
So I would like a copy.
So
of the
you want a
current-
copy of our current records, not necessarily
I
our
want a copy
budget,
of the
because our
current-
budget is what was passed in, let's see, October.
Okay. All right. I know you want to play games with me.
I'm
word
not
games
playing
with me.
games.
Okay. Well,
Not
don't
playing
play word
games.
games with me.
Not
because
playing games at all.
The
The
current,
budget.
okay, don't
the
interrupt
budget-
me. The current operating budget includes
Is
to
it-
date what's been
I will give you-
reconciled.
I will
I'm not
give
an
you what's on
idiot.
here.
I'm not some random dumbass walking in off the street. All right? You're going to get more requests. I'll be waiting for your call. Is the mayor in? Is the mayor in? Is that the clerk? Was that the clerk? Is that the clerk? Is that the clerk here? That's what I thought. Got a new clerk, never approved by the council. Some woman's gonna come down and just tell me like Teresa Richard. Do you know a time? Okay, thank you.
With that competitive